What's up, my beautiful fashionistas? Welcome back to Yvonne Winifred UG. Today's video is out of scrap fabrics. They are Ankara or Kitenge scrap fabrics, and you can make anything from scrap fabrics, guys. I made this cozy blanket, and let us start. So I made a template or a pattern out of a manila paper, so it is 6 inches by 6 inches everywhere. It's just a square that is of 6 inches. So I used it to cut out all these scrap fabrics that you see. So each and every piece that you see here is 6 inches by 6 inches. So I've joined a few pieces so far. As you see, this is the wrong side, and I just considered the colors. So the first one has some cream, the next one has some cream and black, then the next one has some black and red and some turquoise. Then from this turquoise color, the next piece that I joined also has some turquoise and green and white, then into green, and then green, black and red. From that I joined the red one. This red one has some yellows, the next one also has some yellows and black, like that. So that's what I consider to make this, and that is what I'm going to be considering to join my scrap fabrics. So I'm joining 8 pieces at once, like this. So I'm joining 8 pieces so far to make kind of a column or a row. So that is what I have so far, and the pieces are so many, guys. I'm still joining. So as I said, so far I'm joining 8 pieces as I make something like that. And after all the joining, I joined by a 1/4 inch. I came up with all these lines of joined scrap fabric. So at this point they are not joined. I'm just arranging them so that I can join all of them together. So this is what I have. At the top, I've considered the reds first, then into the oranges, then into yellow, as you see, from the yellow into green, then green. The last ones are blues. That is only at the top pieces. So I'm going to be joining them just as I've arranged them by 1/2 inch, joining together up to down, from the top going down like that. But I will have to pin them to ease the work. So I'm going to pin just the way I've arranged them, guys, and then I'll be joining by 1/2 inch at the sewing machine, and I'll be showing you what I have. So here we are again. I've joined the pieces so far. This is what I have. I've joined by 1/2 inch. This is the wrong side. So since my lines are very many, I've joined, this is kind of the first bunch. So I think you're seeing just the way we arranged. That is the first bunch, and now this is the second bunch. So far I've just joined them, pinned them together. Only these top pieces I've just pinned them together. I think you're seeing. I just went ahead pinning them together so that I can easily join them, still from top going down by 1/2 inch. And after joining them, I'll still join it with the first bunch that I made, and so that I come up with one full piece. So this is how the pieces look like. It's some kind of work, guys. It looks simple, but it is heavy duty. So I've joined the other bunch also, and now I'm going to join the two bunches together. So this will be a little bit simpler. And after joining it together, guys, I just want to finish the ends, all the edges, by double folding by 1/2 inch. But if you don't want to do that, guys, you can just add some lining, and you can even add some stuffing so that you make it into a really heavy blanket. But I wanted mine simple, and this is how it came about. So it's kind of just a piece of fabric that you can use, you can turn into any use that you want. You can make it as a fabric and you make some other pieces. You can use it as a rug, you can use it as a curtain, you can use it as a wrapper. You can just form anything that you feel like. And this is how mine came about. I just wanted to leave it as simple as that, and it is still heavy. So after all the sewing, I made sure that I pressed it down with a flat iron, and this is how beautifully it looks like. Since it is a large piece of fabric, that is why I decided to use it as a cozy blanket. So as I'm seated enjoying my movies and some tea, I can use this as a blanket. It can even act as a wall hanging, guys. You can use it for many uses as you wish. So that is it. Tag me on Instagram at Yvonne Winifred UG when you make your own. And guys, I think I'll be seeing you in my next videos. Otherwise, never waste your scrap fabrics, make use of them. Bye.